Hello, welcome to Drop 43. So last week was absolutely amazing. So I could somewhere grade around 4. Definitely a lot exciting week, all through the startup and all through the community building activity as well. So quite exciting. So really glad that back to 4. Now the next milestone would be to maintain this 4 and also go above. At the same time, really back with consecutive drops. Last week I recorded one drop, and this week again I'm back to my consecutive drops. So overall, quite a great week on the productivity side and grading as well. So yeah, really excited for that as well. So this is what about my grading about last week. Now moving forward to the startup side update. So overall, startup side was really great, pretty great, I would say. Client side, I don't think so. We have much to share information there, but it's all going great. And as I mentioned in the last video itself, we are trying to explore more opportunities also. So if something goes great, I'll ping you also, and I'll update you in the coming weeks. And now coming to the product side, there we have done some major improvements. As we told in the last week itself that we'd be, going all out with the marketing, and that thing we followed. So we started doing marketing in the sense not exactly marketing per se, but yeah, we started reaching out and talking to more and more people. We have a small community, small 30-40 people, and we started giving them regular updates. We started giving them product go throughs, and we also started taking feedbacks from them and incorporating in the pipeline, and that is going tremendously well. And we would really like to scale those up, but yeah, coming to that in the later part of this video. So it's all going great. Team is pretty much excited. We are doing some tremendous engineering, and for the marketing, we are gearing it up slow and steady. Definitely, we want to go all out, but it's not possible from our end. So overall, quite great. And now moving to the team, we are small team definitely, and we would like to do that and see if everything goes great. Then we will expand. But majorly, we are focusing on marketing now and design as well. In terms of templates for our graphic design tool, and for marketing we have started to invest in content marketing and SEO. Let's see how that goes. Really excited for what we are bringing up there as well. So overall quite great on the startup side update. And now moving forward to the challenge or the idea part of this video. So the challenge, there's no particular challenge where I told in my last video I won't be taking any challenges. But there's this idea called as a thesis. Back when 3-4 years back when we started with Creatosaurus, it was all about we were working on AI based influencer marketing. And somehow down the line in initial 3-4 months, we started to realize when we had an agency running in parallel, we had multiple clients to work with, and we had multiple creators, social media accounts of businesses and our own, and our team was quite struggling, and there was no possible easy way out for integrations to come up. And being in the creator background and having worked with a lot of things, this thing, eventually in 6 months of our initial journey, we started to realize this is not how the things would be going on in the future. And we won't be seeing creators only as an content creator or influencer or YouTubers or Instagrammer, but rather this profession is going to evolve much more kind of a professional role that we believe. And that we started gearing up, and we changed toward what we are currently now. It's kind of a platform where you can scale your storytelling with our all-in-one creator stack, and that is what we believe is going to happen in this future. Like, creators are going to evolve as a professional roles, companies would be hiring them, and they would be having their own workflows collaboration between this existing remote culture and asynchronous work culture as well. So yeah, we are really excited about that, and this is what our core thesis has been. So this drop is about thesis and having a solid motivation behind your idea, because when we started we felt that same pain point as well, regarding we used to use multiple tools out there, from Photoshop to from easy low code to Canva to Buffer, all sort of tools for our social media marketing. Then one fine day it just triggered that there is no easy way to integrate Canva and Buffer, and it just blew our mind that it should have been way easy to integrate and optimize our workflow between multiple departments. And that got us started, and here we are right now optimizing what we feel would be the coming future, and collaboration in real time and working together when creators would be ideating and creating all sort of stories. So that is what we are gearing it about. So this is what our thesis is, where creators are going to evolve as a new professional role, and that's where we come into the picture about a platform, about a whole ecosystem of apps. So that is what we would like to share with you guys. It was amazing that how this has evolved our messaging. When we say earlier, we used to say AI based end-to-end social media platform, quite different. But yeah, this has helped us to boil down our messaging, branding, and while we converse or while we do demo or on the website as well. So I think this is something a good direction, having a strong thesis and your own motivation behind it, or having the same pain point. So yeah, the idea of this video is about having a core thesis and feeling the same thing about what you are building it out, and at the same time being your own customer. So we are using our own tools, so that's actually great. So looking forward to scale more things, but at the same time, as I mentioned, we currently have only 30-40 folks in our WhatsApp group as well. But one thing we started to realize, there are a lot of things missing out. So what we are trying to do is, like, we are currently trying to make a templatized format or a process, you can say, which we can repeat as things scales up. In the sense, first we would like to cater to only these 30 folks. If they are all good, everything is set, we know how to, we are comfortable giving product demos, or we know exactly how we should give product demos, or what should kind of onboarding be like, or what kind of experience it is like. So eventually, if a package of experiences get built up, and we as a team, and at the same time this 30 community of people as well, they also get acquainted, I think that it will become very easy to replicate the same model to 100 folks or 1,000 folks also. So that's why we just decided that we would be taking it slow, but rather than slow, we would be taking in a step by step manner or milestone manner. So first milestone, when we started, like way back, like 3-4 months, 10 folks only. Right now it's like, I think we'll go to 50 or 100 folks, and then we will I think 50 folks, let's decide it right here. We'll go with 50 folks and we'll model it out, and then we'll replicate it with 300 folks, and then 1,000 folks, and we'll grow so on. So this is a quite small update, I think, but video is quite long. So hope you guys enjoyed it, and quite excited what we are coming up with new things. If you'd like to see a product demo, or if you like to check out our website, it's creatosaurus.io. You can check it out, and feel free to reach us out. More than happy to guide you. So see you guys in the next one. Till then, stay safe, take care, keep hustling. Bye. YOLO.